Today we'll talk about how can you change password on your WordPress app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that in your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first, you just go down, click here on your account. Down here you click on account in settings. You come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this here. So then all you have to do next, just click here on account in settings here. It's going to take you to this list. Then you click here on change password. So then here add your password here. Then you click on OK. Then it's going to add with you on your WordPress app. So that's all you have to do. That's all. I wish you I great to just follow these ways. Then it's going to work with you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.